Today I'm making easy triple chocolate crinkle cookies. I am Grammy and welcome to my kitchen. This is a perfect recipe at any time, but at this time of year, if you have a cookie exchange you need to get to and you forgot to do a cookie, this is your cookie. So you're going to take 2 packages of brownie mix, 1/2 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of melted butter, 4 eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. You're going to start by whisking together your brownie mix and your flour to get out any big lumps that might be in it. And then you start adding your wet ingredients. Be careful with those eggs. I almost had a disaster because my eggs were not cracking all the way, and I had to save my dough from getting some shells in it because you do not want shells in your cookies. That is just gross, and you need to be careful with that. Then you're going to add your wet ingredients. And what I found out is that this needed some water. So I added 1/2 cup of water because I, with my peripheral neuropathy, could not get it to mix. And I needed my daughter's help because I just couldn't do it. And so she says, "What are you making, like mortar for laying bricks?" It was very, very dense. So just make sure everything gets well mixed and incorporated so that you don't have any powdery batter, when you get to actually form these. You want everything gooey because this is a very gooey dough. And so what you need to do after you get this initial mix and everything is, nice and sticky is you put it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 3 hours. And then you're going to form your cookie dough. So get in your refrigerator, and next you're going to preheat your oven to 375. You're going to have a 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, and I suggest you drop your batter right into the powdered sugar and then gently grab it with your hands and roll it into a ball. You place them on your cookie sheet, no more than about 3 across. Try to keep your dough size smaller than mine because these kind of spread out and they kind of join hands. And so if you want cookies that are nice and keep their shape, make smaller balls of dough. You will get about 80 to 90 cookies in this batch. So it's a nice batch to have enough to bring to work or your event and share with your family or your neighbors. So you're going to bake these for 12 to 15 minutes. And then after that, you're going to take them out of your oven, let them cool a little bit before you hand them out to your family. And of course, I need them tested by Papa. Papa, what do you think of my cookies?
Well, here we go. We have easy chocolate crinkled cookies.
Not crinkled, it's crinkle.
What
Just
did I
crinkle.
say?
You said crinkled. It's just
Crinkled.
crinkled.
Okay.
Give it a try, Pops, please. No, don't start over, just go. We're just rolling with it.
Oh, they're even warm. Chocolatey. Oh, and gooey. Oh, they're really good. They're really good. Hey.
They hit the mark.
They hit the mark. Way to go, Grammy. Don't forget to subscribe.